In this video, you will learn how to use the profiler in MevisLab. Profiling is dynamic program analysis and is used to identify slow functions, frequently called functions, and memory usage during runtime. Add the module min-max scan to your workspace and open the example network. Enable the MevisLab profiler via menu item, View, Views, Profiling. The profiler is opened in your Views area but can be detached. Enable profiling by checking Enable in the top left corner. Now open the View 2D via double-click and scroll through the slices. Inspect the profiler. The profiler shows very detailed information about each module in your network. The Fields tab shows any changes of field values in your network. The results of the profiling can be exported as HTML page with reports for modules, call graph, and flat profile, and fields. In addition to the profiler view, your modules also provide a tiny bar showing the current memory and time consumption of the module. After finishing the profiling, make sure to uncheck the enabled checkbox before closing the panel. Even if you close the panel, the profiling itself will continue in the background. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.